Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Ultra Hardware number 34901R1. This is a pair of overlay style oil rub bronze cabinet hinges. Very typical, very common overlay type. The door is just going to sit right out on here. The jamb will sit down below here, self-closing, probably at about 15 or 20 degree or so. It'll start to self-close. Maybe more than that, maybe 25 degree. As I rotate that, you can see the inner working of that. Those spring-loaded pins that are in there. Well, it's a spring-loaded hub. The spring is down at the tip of my finger, which you can all but barely see. Classic sort of design. You'll see these all sorts of places. Let's get some dimensions. Overall height of the frame portion, just tip to tip, it's going to be about 2 3/4. Center line of the screw hole to the center line of the screw hole, it's going to be about 2 3/16. Overall width of the hinge, 1 3/4 inches. The dimension from the knuckle to the screw holes, about 3/8, 7/8. And then again, of course, it's looking like it's closer to 7/16. Yeah, 7/16 than 7/8. Then this sort of dimension, the outside hole, about 13/16 from the end. Looks like that's going to be about in the center. And the other two holes, about 5/16 or so from one end, and then about 1 5/16 or so from the other, continuing from the same end. Oil rub bronze finish, or at least that's the oil rub bronze finish from Ultra Hardware on this hinge. When you buy one, you're buying a package of 2. You're going to get all the screws and then 2 adhesive mutes, small little rubberized mutes, or they might be cork or some sort of material that is made of. Now, there is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up the full line product catalog from Ultra Hardware. The point of that is you can easily pull that document up, search the document for the 34901R1, and then get to the page. And then the concept with that is you will see all of the Ultra sister products. So like a Control F or whatever the search is on your computer, you'll get to that page that shows the 34901R1. It will list the part number for all the different finishes. Okay. And this is called a flush style. I would just call it overlay. Okay. Then you'll see the same series of hinges for an inset sort of application, and then other types of cabinet hinges in that section that Ultra Hardware provides. Also on that page, link to the manufacturer's page, will be not only a list of all the Ultra products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website. I'm partial to Ultra, and it's because they have a comprehensive offering of residential hardware as it pertains to cabinets, whether it be hinges, drawer pulls, knobs. They are predictable, they are reliable in terms of their shipping lead times. They do have a minimum order, so if it's a small order, we'll need to place it onto our weekly stock order for it to come into our location, where we will then ship it out to you. But for the value, I would say that the Ultra Hardware material is always well worth the wait. If you have any questions on the Ultra 34901R1, package of 2 or 1 pair oil rub bronze flush or overlay cabinet hinges, or any other Ultra Hardware product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.